mermaid with big shiny eyes and long colorful hair. Let's rewind and see how our magical mermaid came to life. Let's go! Make it flow like it's moving underwater. Time for her mermaid tail. Curve, curve.
Sing, little bird, sing soft and low. Through the storm and the wind, let your sorrow show. Clap your tiny hands, tap your little feet. Dance to the song, though the world's not sweet. Twirl in the sunlight that hides behind gray.
Whoa, look at this.
Close your eyes, breathe the night. Smile, little birds, everything's alright. Sing, little birds, your song is so fine. It warms the hearts that are not kind. One last note, one final rhyme. Then sleep, little birds, for all of time.
Give her long magical hair. What color do you think her hair should be? Now add those big sparkling eyes. Looking amazing! See, when you keep trying, your drawings get better and better. Add bold lines to make everything pop. You're doing such an awesome job! Wow, so adorable! You are an artist. Artists create magic with their hands? bright and colorful. Smooth coloring here, darker shading there, and colored everything beautifully. tail would you pick? Did you know some mermaids love collecting shiny shells? I think our mermaid does. Hit that subscribe button so our next magical video can swim straight to you. Subscribing helps our art family grow, and it makes me super happy.